Good morning to everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Again, this is Mr. Drew, and this is going to be the first video for class for UNI 220 Mindset Connections. As I was referencing in the introductory video, each week I will post a video that is no more than 5 minutes, and after watching this video, you will be asked to answer 3 short and very quick questions to ensure that you have watched the video. The video is going to contain information that will set us up for the content for what we will be discussing in class that week. So each video is sort of like an introduction to the materials that we will be addressing in our class. It is important that you watch these videos so that you can gain a brief understanding of what we will be discussing, and when you complete these 3 short questions, you will get points towards your grade for watching the videos. If you watch the videos, complete the questions, you will get the points. So, as I mentioned in our introductory video, this class is about creative problem solving. What is creative problem solving, and why is this important to students? Well, as a student, you are going to encounter problems throughout your entire academic career. And if we want you to be successful, we think it is important that you have the tools necessary to be both successful inside the classroom and then outside the classroom as well. Policymakers actually say that students who excel with problem solving are able to get higher jobs, and at times they usually will have higher GPAs as well. When you think about problem solving as a student, you may think about leadership as well. We are all leaders, whether we like to see ourselves as leaders or not. And if we develop these mindsets and these attributes that we will be talking about throughout the course of this semester, we hope that you will be able to develop the leadership skills that will prove you to be a great leader in both your career at ASU and beyond. So what is problem solving? Creative problem solving is the process of searching for an original and a previously unknown solution to a problem. This can be applied to a variety of problems, whether we're talking about problems in our daily life. How do you accomplish homework when you have classes, or when you have 5 classes, or even big world problems, like how do we solve the issue of poverty around the world? If we think about this through the lens of creative problem solving, we can probably find and identify unique solutions that will help us tackle each of these problems. Creative problem solving is 2 things first. It is a process, a way of approaching challenges that will help you work through them to find solutions. And for many of us, this is going to be a great time of change for us. You may have already dealt with many problems already as you've begun your career at ASU. And with every new challenge, knowing how the problem-solving process works will help you navigate through these problems. But problem solving, it's not just a process. There are also ways to look at it. And there are many different ways in which you can look at creative problem solving. And one of the ways that we will look at it are through the abilities of our mindsets and our attributes, which will be the focus of the class. Albert Einstein said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." This is exactly what we're talking about when we say unique solutions. It is all about this mindsets and the attitudes that we will have to help us approach the problems that we will be facing. So, that is a brief overview of the material we'll be talking about in class this week. I'm just going to let you know some things that you should do before class and in the coming week. If you'd like, we encourage you to download the Canvas student app on your phone. Get to know Canvas if this Canvas site is new to you. Make sure you are reading your ASU and your personal email addresses. Please read the course syllabus and then complete modules 1 and 0. I look forward to seeing you all in class this week. If you do have any questions, you can always email me or make an appointment. We hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.